In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download attachments in Confluence. If your team shares files like PDFs, spreadsheets, images, or slides in Confluence, downloading a copy to your computer is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Confluence page that contains the file you want. This might be a project page, a meeting notes page, or any space where your team stores documents. Make sure you're on the correct page and that you have access to view attachments. If you're logged in and can see the page content, you're good to go. Next, locate the file on the page and click it. The attachment usually appears as a file name link, a small thumbnail, or an embedded preview within the page content. A simple left click is all you need. Confluence will open the file in its built-in preview window so you can confirm it's the right document before downloading. Before we continue, if you need the Confluence website, I've placed a direct link at the top of the description. Use that link to access your workspace in your browser. Now, in the preview window, look toward the top right corner. You'll see the download button with a down arrow icon. Click that button. Confluence will begin downloading the file to your computer using your browser's standard download process. Depending on your browser settings, you'll typically find the file in your Downloads folder, and you may see a brief status indicator at the bottom or top of your browser. If the file starts downloading immediately when you click the attachment, that's fine too. Some file types skip the preview and go straight to download. Once the download completes, open the file with the appropriate program on your computer. PDFs open with your default PDF viewer, Excel files open with a spreadsheet app, images open with your photo viewer, and presentations open with your slides application. If your computer asks which app to use, just choose the one that matches the file type. If the file doesn't open on the first try, double check that the download finished and try opening it again. That's all there is to it. Open the page, click the file, use the preview window to select download, and then open the file on your device. Easy, reliable, and perfect for keeping a local copy of important documents. If this walkthrough helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to grab the Confluence link from the top of the description. Thanks for watching.